In the journey of building and growing a business, managing finances effectively is a cornerstone of success. While many small businesses start with DIY accounting, there often comes a point where professional help becomes not just beneficial but essential. This is where outsourced bookkeeping services like Bookkeeper 360 step in, offering a blend of human expertise and technological efficiency. A primary consideration for any business exploring such services is, naturally, the cost. So, how much does Bookkeeper 360 cost? As an accounting software expert, I can tell you that Bookkeeper 360, like many professional service providers, offers a tiered pricing structure that reflects the complexity of your business, the volume of your transactions, and the range of services you require. It's not a one-size-fits-all fee, and understanding the factors that influence the cost is key to budgeting and making an informed decision. Bookkeeper 360's core service. Bookkeeping. The foundation of Bookkeeper 360's offering is its bookkeeping service, which is designed to keep your financial records accurate and up-to-date. The pricing for this core service is primarily determined by your monthly expenses or transaction volume. This is the most significant factor. Bookkeeper 360 categorizes businesses into tiers based on their average monthly expenses. As your expenses increase, indicating a larger volume and complexity of transactions, the monthly fee rises. For example, a business with up to $20,000 in monthly expenses will pay less than a business with $50,000 or $100,000 in monthly expenses. Accounting method. Cash versus accrual basis. Cash basis accounting. Generally less complex, as income and expenses are recognized only when cash changes hands. Services for cash basis accounting typically start at a lower price point. For instance, you might see starting prices around $399 per month for businesses with up to $20,000 in monthly expenses. Accrual basis accounting, more complex, as income is recognized when earned and expenses when incurred, regardless of when cash is exchanged. This method provides a more accurate picture of a business's financial health but requires more intricate record keeping. Accrual basis services generally start at a higher price point, perhaps around $549 per month for comparable monthly expenses. Frequency of support. Bookkeeper 360 offers different levels of engagement. Monthly. This is the most common option, where you receive monthly reconciliations and financial statements. Weekly. For businesses with higher transaction volumes or those that require more frequent insights, weekly support is available, usually at a higher monthly cost, e.g., starting from around $549 per month for cash basis, up to $749 for accrual for the lowest expense tier. Pay as you go. This option is typically for on-demand support, specific projects, or for businesses with very sporadic needs. It usually involves a lower monthly retainer, e.g., $49 per month, plus an hourly rate for support, e.g., $125 per hour, often with an initial retainer. To give you a clearer idea of the range, prices are approximate and subject to change by Bookkeeper 360. Up to $20,000 in monthly expenses. Roughly $399 to $749 per month, depending on cash/accrual and frequency. Up to $50,000 in monthly expenses. Roughly $599 to $949 per month. Up to $100,000 in monthly expenses. Roughly $899 to $1,249 per month. Over $100,000 in monthly expenses. Custom pricing, requiring a direct quote. What's included in the core bookkeeping service? When you subscribe to Bookkeeper 360's core bookkeeping service, you typically receive dedicated accountant, a US-based team member who understands your business, monthly account reconciliations, ensuring your bank and credit card accounts match your books, monthly financial statements, including profit and loss, income statement, and balance sheet. These are crucial for understanding your business's performance and financial position. Bookkeeper communications. Access to your bookkeeper via phone, video meetings, and live chat. Real-time dashboards and insights. Through the Bookkeeper 360 app, which integrates with QuickBooks Online or Xero, you get access to key financial metrics and a performance dashboard.